Ooh. Okay, that's gotta be tightened up. Hey guys. Oh, welcome to Cuba's Automotive. I'm here on site checking out a crank no start. Well, actually, it cranks over, it starts up, and then it dies. I'm not going to stay here long. I'm actually going to go to a car show in a few minutes, so I'm passing through because it's right down the street from the car show. I was not planning on doing this work today. So they were on the way to a camping trip. They had this thing fully loaded, about to leave, and lo and behold, crank no start. So I'm going to show you exactly what it does. And sorry about the sun. Get this thing. There we go. Let's see if I can get this thing set up here. I'm using this new stand tripod thing, and it takes getting used to, to say the least. Oh man, this thing's coming out. Alright, so that's not gonna work. I gotta bring this back out. Okay, so we're in the car right now, or in the truck. This is Tahoe. 02 of 3, so it's an 03 Tahoe. And I think it has the 5.3 engine. Now this is what it does. Starts, shuts off. I'll even show you on the dash here. So we have a battery light on. It's typical. Maybe turn the key on. Just checks here. Sorry, I'm trying to get this thing. No, well, I'll get you in from the side here. I'm going to attempt to start again. Cool. Key off. Key on. All the light checks come on, so I don't think it's ECM. It did have oil pressure for a little bit, and it dropped down. And again, it drops down. Let me see what the RPM does. And it goes the opposite way. See, it stays running for like 2 seconds and it stops. And the security light is not on, so I'm not worried about that. So we're gonna go ahead under the hood and see what we see. Visual inspection, just to get started. It's like 100 degrees today. I always like to do these jobs. Hottest day of the year. Okay, I gotta get my gloves on. I don't want to get dirty, or not too dirty. I'm gonna put you guys on the side here. And I can barely see anything, but I'll have to make do. Don't care. At least you get a wider picture. I'm doing a visual inspection. Wires, this, that. Let's see if we have a Schrader valve. Fuel pump is 86, that's in the middle. Okay, so just going over the fuses and see what we have in here. Here we go. And it looks like the fuel pump is right in the middle of this, like a pyramid of relays. I might go ahead and just switch that around with one of the other ones, because it almost feels like fuel, and I don't hear the pump kick on. So if it starts up, it might be because of vapors. On a hot day, you're gonna have more vapors. Let's see, this guy's a little loose, so maybe I can do it by hand. So it starts and it shuts off. Alright, let me go see if we have a Schrader valve. I'll go ahead and remove this hold down so I get access to what's under here. Nonsense. Stupid covers. 8 mil, 5/16. Alright. Oh, yes, we do. Alright, we do have a Schrader valve here. So I'm going to knock out testing fuel pressure, at least, because I do have my gauge on me. Just don't know if it works. We shall see. So I ordered one from Amazon the day after one I had didn't work and sprayed all over, or actually stopped functioning. So I just got this, I don't know, Innova one, cheapie. Test it out. Don't care if it doesn't work. Well, I do, but in this case, but I already have more permanent resolution. Alright. Got that. The other clamp's right here. Yeah. This clamp. What lady is this guy? Come on, buddy. It's a lean guy. So, everything else is for other setups. Alright. Rush. Alright, climb up. Let's see if we can get this gauge on here. Oh yeah. I don't think this fuel's going to be the issue here. It's enough to where it really squirted. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to let that dry down. Where can I post this? You guys can see. And in this case, I'm not going to try to start it. I'm just going to crank it over, or not even crank it over. I'll just turn key on. Sorry, to see what kind of plan we have. Oh, just meal. Here. Alright, let me see. I'll bring you guys over here. I was going to have the let's see. Like that. Oh, okay. I'll put you guys back here. Alright, you can watch with me, and I'll go ahead and relay back to this in case I have to. So we can get the air out of this. No pressure anymore left. Okay, I'll cycle the key. I think I heard it that time. What are you doing? Alright, I got these bugs flying over towards me. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and release that. So I think I know our problem already. Yeah, that's what the gauge works. See where we're at. Wow. We're getting nothing. Oh gosh, I don't know if it's my dang on gauge or what. Now I don't trust them all. But then again, I don't have much coming out. If that is the case, I'm gonna go check the footage one more time just to see. and I'll be right back. So I just reviewed the footage and I did not see the needle move. So it does confirm what I've suspected so far. I can get a little bit of fuel here coming out now that I depressed it a lot more. But still nothing what it should be, and the gauge is not moving. Does it mean that it works? See, that's the problem with tools nowadays, I tell you. Not anything coming out. I'm going to try to give this thing a start. I'm going to face it in my direction. And I'm going to go ahead and move the scanner out of the way. And the camera out the way in case it starts. Yeah, in case it starts, I'm going to go ahead and move you guys. We'll see. I'll put you inside with me. So guys, guess what? I just went underneath the tank, or underneath the truck. I wanted to take a look at a visual inspection. And then for poop and laughter, let's say, I banged on the tank. So, and I also wanted to go ahead and connect the virus up. I have a hard connection, so I had to turn the key on. And as I did, I noticed that the needle went up. So, peep that, peeps. That's almost confirmation that the fuel pump is bad. A nice little beating and it started up, so it's on its way out. That's really all I did was bang on the bottom of the plastic tank. So, there you guys go. I don't even have to go into looking at scan data or anything, but I might as well. I'm going to test out the new tool. So I'm going to go with engine. Continue. Codes. Display codes. Let's go with all. I don't know if you can see this. I got a major glare and I just can't control that. Mass airflow, out of range. Don't care about the network. Don't care about that. And that's it, huh? Mass airflow. 101, typical. History codes. No history codes present. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and go back. And then what I'm going to do, I want to do a health check. If I can do that on here. Oh wait, Snap-on doesn't do that. Well, we're going to go ahead and save this information. I forget how we do this. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, okay. So we have that written. I'm going to go through all the other systems. Yeah, is it an 03 Chevy Tahoe? 5.3, that's what I thought it was. And the mileage. I'm sure if I try the key now, it'll start up. I'm just going to double check there's no leaks on the outside. Okay, so I just verified everything else under the hood was okay. I'm going to go ahead and put you here. Where's that gauge? There's the gauge. I'm going to go ahead and start it up just to prove the fact that the pump's going to work now. And it starts up. We're running. There we go. That's why I couldn't turn it over anymore. See? 1,000 RPM. No issues. I'll go ahead and run for a few minutes here. So the only reason I have this running now is to go ahead and recharge the battery a little bit. I don't know how many times customer attempted to start it. I guess I won't be able to write down the mileage. It's awesome. So there you have it, guys. Simple diagnostic here. More than likely I won't be doing the pump. I'll have my buddy Drew, Fat Kid Automotive, take care of it. I don't feel like dropping the tank. And I have so much other work to take care of, so there's that, guys. And I gotta head to the car show. Hopefully not dripping with sweat. I'm gonna wipe myself off a bit here and get cleaned up. Probably at the computer store. yeah, so whether you guys have diagnosing, no start condition, and I already had a suspicion that bogging down, just like with the Ultima. That's it. I don't know. Any questions, comments, criticisms? I'll put them in the comment box, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Thanks for watching. Oh, and anybody going to Super Saturday, Super Saturday, take a look at the information I have down in the bottom in the description. I would love to see people going, especially technicians, and especially if you're local, especially if you're in the area. There's no reason why you can't go, or you're not going. You know, there's no reason. It's pretty reasonable as far as pricing is concerned. So, hope to see you there. See you guys.